Hello everybody and welcome back to the Canning Nana. Today is giveaway time, the first day of the rest of January, where we're going to be giving away a gift every single day until the end of January. Today is the 10th and this is our first giveaway. This will be shipping right to your home if you win. This is the Canning Bible, you guys. If you have any questions, you always go to this book. This will tell you everything. I mean, literally everything you need to know. So it's great that you follow me, and it's great that I'm sure that you guys follow a lot of other canners that I know, my sister canners, and they're wonderful as well. But if you ever have questions or you just want to do research, this is the book to go to. This is a must-have if you can, especially pressure canning. So I want you guys, as the first of the many giveaways for this book right here, that will ship direct to you, I want you to tell me how you started canning, why you still can, and what you love about canning. Those three things. Okay? So remember, you must be a subscriber to win, to be eligible to win. And you must answer those three questions. And if you can put the question and then the answer, that would be amazing. I would really appreciate that. Make me, my life a whole lot easier. And then I will be picking at random. I will be assigning you guys numbers and then picking at random who will be the winner. For those of you who are assigned numbers on the other videos that I put up, that's very, very important. Go watch those videos and make sure that you do as I say at the very end of the video. You guys have to watch the whole video to understand. Go to the very end of the video, make sure you wait, and you get what you need to enter the contest. That's all I'm going to say. Okay, so far we have about 17, 18 people, and that's it. So their odds are amazing. So one of them are, definitely going to win something there. Maybe a few will. Maybe all will. You never know. So you're going to have to go over there and put your name in and figure out from there. But as I said, just want to let you know, this is the guide. I have so many other books, and I'm going to be showing you guys those other books this coming week. This is the book, and this is the 2020 printing. This is the book that I will tell you every canner on YouTube has, without a doubt. This is the Canning Bible. It tells you everything, how to do it, sanitary procedures for the jars, the food, how long to cook the food, how long to pressure can it, how to use your pressure canner, how to store the foods. This answers all your questions. So this is the first of many gifts I'm going to be giving away. So stay tuned to the others. And remember to do those special answers in the comment section and do them in order. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. It's because of you that I'm here, and I enjoy teaching you so much. Looking forward to teaching you guys a lot more. Yes, I am all stuffed up. I'm sorry. I've got lots and lots of allergies right now, and I'm not sure what's going on. I'm not sick. It's just allergy time for me. So, been living on Benadryl. What else can I say? So, I will see you guys tomorrow in another video, and make sure you do what is asked in order to win. There are lots of entries coming for the giveaway, and there's lots of bigger prizes for the giveaway. This is the first of the prizes, so yeah, you guys have a lot to look forward to. Okay, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.